Good morning students. Now we will start activity 3 of chapter 6. In this activity we will do HCF by long division method. The long division method is very useful when we need to find the HCF of large numbers. The question is find the HCF of 144 and 216. Divide the bigger number 216 by the smaller number 144. It will go on 144 ones are 144. Now here we will do division. We will subtract 144 from 216, then 72 will come. Now in next step, this remainder will become divisor and this divisor will become dividend. Means this number will come here. Now in 72 table, 144 will come on 2. 72 2 ja 144. We will subtract it. 0 is remainder. When 0 is remainder, then HCF will be this number 72. Because 144 is completely divisible by 72, then it means 72 is the HCF of 144 and 216. Now we will do third question of activity 3. Question is find the HCF of following by long division method. So here we will do long division method. Smaller number will come outside and big number will come inside. Now 72 2 ja 144. Subtract it. 48 will come. Now this 48 will become divisor and this divisor will become quotient. 48 1 ja 48 1 ja 48. Subtract it. 24. Now again this 48 will come here. 24 2 ja 48. Now this 24 is HCF because remainder is 0 here. 48 is completely divisible by 24, so HCF is 24. Now next B part is 48 and 108. 48 will come outside and 100 will come inside. 48 2s are 96. 12 will come. This 48 will come inside and 12 4s are 48. It is completely divisible by 12, so HCF is 12. Next C part is 85 and 125. Now it will go on 1. 85 1 ja 85. Subtracted. 40 will come. Now this 85 will come inside again. 42 ja 80. 5 will come. Now this 40 will come here. 5 8 ja 40. Now it is completely divisible by 5, so HCF is 5. Next D part is 375 and 600. It will go on 1. Now this 375 will come here. Again it will go on 1. Now this 225 will come inside. 150 ones are 150. 75. This 150 will come inside and 75 2s are 150. It is completely divisible, so HCF is 75. Next E part is 720 and 810. 720 and 810. So 721 ja 720. When you will subtract it, 90 will come. This 720 will come inside. Now it will go on 8. It is divisible by 90 at 8 completely. 98 ja 720. So here HCF is 90. Next F part is 2025 and 5184. So here 2025 and 5184. Now this is big number, so you can do division in rough also. You have to check ki where it will come. 5184 on 2025 table. So in rough you can check like this. You will check it will come on at 2 or not. It is 4050 and this is 5184. Now we will check on 3. It will come on 3 or not. That is 6075 and it is 5184. It is greater, so we will use this number. It will go on true. So you can use this method in rough. So it will go on to 4050. Subtract it. This 2025 will come inside. Now we will check this table. It will come on 1. Subtract it. 891 will come. Now this 1134 will come there. It will go on 1. And when we will subtract it, 243 will come. Now this 891 will come here. It will go on 3. Subtracted, 162 will come. Now this 243 will come here. It will go on 1 again. '81 will come. This 162 will come here. And it will be divisible by 81 at 2 completely. 81 2 ja 162. So what will be the HCF? 81. So answer is HCF is 81. Now next G part is 8064 and 4410. It will go on 1. Subtract it. This will come here. It will go on again 1. Again subtract it. This will come here. It will go on 4. Subtract it. Now this 756 will come here. Again on 1, 126 will come. This 630 will come here. Now 126 5s are 630. It is divisible by 126. So HCF will be 126. Next H part is, now there are 3 numbers. You have to find the HCF by long division method of 3 numbers. So in this case you have to take first of all first 2 numbers. Okay, we will take first of all first 2 numbers, 264 and 840. Okay, now we will take 264 and 840. Now it will go on 3, 792, 48 will come, 264 will come. Now it will go on 5, 24 will come, and here 48 will come. 2 ja 48. Now what is coming here? 24, but this is not HCF because one number is left here. Now what we will do, we will take this number will become dividend and this number will become divisor. We will divide this number by 24, means we will do HCF by long division method of these 2 numbers. Okay, so this is small number, so it will come outside, and it is big, so it will come inside. So I am taking here 24 will come outside and this 384 will come inside. So here we will take first 2 digits. 24 1 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48. 48 is greater than 38, so it will go on 1. 24 1 ja 24. Subtract it. 14 will come and this 4 will come down. This is simple division. Now 24 6 ja 144. It is completely divisible by 24. It means HCF of these 3 numbers is 24. So you have to do like this, HCF of 3 numbers. Now move on fourth question. Fourth question is, find the largest number which divides 735 and 1155 exactly, leaving no remainder. Now these are the word problems related to the HCF. Now how we will find that? We have to do HCF in that question. If there is given largest number or there is written greatest number, so for this you have to find HCF, because the full form of HCF is highest common factor. If in the question he is saying find the largest or greatest number of which divisible by this or which divides exactly, leaving no remainder, then you have to do find HCF in that question. So similarly we will find HCF in this question. Here we will write solution and we will find HCF of 735 and 1155. Same, you now in this question it is not given that you have to find HCF by long division or by prime factorization. So you can do any method. You can do prime factorization or you can do long division method also. I am doing this question by long division method. For long division method, small number will come outside and big number will come inside. It will go on 1, subtract it, 420 will come, 735 will come here. Now it will go on 1, subtract it, 315 will come and 420 will come here. Now it will go on 315, again subtract it, 105 will come and this 315 will come inside. Now 105 threes are 315. It is completely divisible, so answer will be 105. Now this is the homework of today. Find the HCF of long division method. Okay, this one question you have to do in homework.